show you a quick video on the Scentsy diffuser. And the diffuser is actually one of the reasons why I joined Scentsy. I'd always wanted a diffuser. I'd heard great things about essential oils and I wanted to try it. So this was one of the first purchases I made when I joined Scentsy. Personally, I keep mine in my bedroom and I use mine at night. Let me show you a little bit about it and how it works. So if you take this off, this is the shade. Underneath is the diffuser base. And as you can see, there's tons of different shades to choose from. They're all interchangeable. So it's so quick and easy to change up depending on your decor or your mood. But this is the diffuser base, and the cone, the funnel right here just lifts off. And you just pour your water right in here. And then you pick your oil. Let's go with this one. Put however much you want, as little or as much scent as you want. They say 4 to 5 drops. Sometimes I go a little bit more than that. Sometimes I go less. So we put a few drops in. Put the funnel back on. Put your shade back on, and then see these buttons right here in front. I don't know how this is going to show up on camera, but this right here is the fan, and that's what blows it out. So you turn it on once for high, and I'm hoping you can see it come out here. If you press it again, it will go down to low. And if you press and hold it, it will do intermittent. So it will just go like throughout the night intermittently. Then over on this side, we've got our lights. So I hit it once just to turn it on full light. If you hit it again, it will dim it. I'm on my phone, so I don't know how good that's looking, if you can really see it well. And if you hit it once more, it goes to like a candle flickering light. Now we also have colored lights. If you press and hold it, it will start going through the different colors. It takes its time. I think that's so pretty. And it smells really good too. It's sitting here just blowing in my face. I really hope that the video is doing it justice, because the colors really are just so beautiful. And then if you press this while it's going through its colors, you can manually pick one that you want to keep it on. And you can just keep it on that color. Oh, see, green, my favorite color, I love that. So that's a little bit about how the diffuser works. It's super easy, everything is just the push of a button. Another great feature about it is that when it runs out of water in your reservoir, it will just cut itself off. It will turn off, so it's not going to keep going and burn up or anything because there's no water in it. It'll just cut off. So now let me tell you a little bit about the oils. I'm sure you've all heard about essential oils, and I love them. I'm huge on them. So we have a few different kinds. We have the 100% essential oil, which is 100% essential oil. And then we have the essential oil blends, which are a blend of 2 or more essential oils, and they are still 100% essential oils. And then we have natural oil blends, which are naturally derived fragrances and ingredients mixed with the essential oil. And that's going to be like your scents, your awesome apple. It's naturally derived scent, and then your essential oil. So I have a few that I use regularly, and you can probably see a theme going. Like I said, I use mine at night in the bedroom. And I have Calm, Rest, Lavender, definitely a theme. And then I have some eucalyptus, which if anybody's ever been sick or had a cold or a little stuffy, that eucalyptus is great for opening you up. And then I've got some patchouli rose, and this would be an example of one of the natural oil blends where it has the rose fragrance mixed with the 100% essential oil. So that's just a few, but we have so many different kinds. Obviously, I've got a sleep theme going on here, a relaxation and rest theme, but there's so many to choose from, and they're really affordable because they range anywhere from $10 to $24. And 3 to 4 drops, putting in your diffuser, these things last forever. I've never run out. I mean, these are still almost all full. So they last forever. It's such a good deal. Why pay more for essential oil when this is 100% essential oil for so much cheaper than some of the other brands out there? And anyway, guys, that's it. This is the diffuser. And if you have any questions, just let me know and I'll be glad to answer them. I should also say, you know, I know that some people think that this is kind of a big investment and they'd like one, but they don't want to spend that much. I gotta throw it out there, guys. The best way to get one of these is to throw a party. Have me host a party for you. I can do a Facebook party. I can come do a party in your home. Earn your host rewards, your free and your half-priced items. That's the best, easiest way to get you one of these if you don't want to just fork out full price. Anyway, if you have any questions, let me know. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.